Alright, so this is just going to be a quick video on an easy way to clean any metal gas tank, so long as it is not aluminum. No aluminum, metal only. But all I've done is put about 8 bottles of the Works toilet bowl cleaner. It only cost $1 a piece at Dollar Tree or wherever, dollar store. So for about $8 you can clean out your gas tank. All you gotta do is swish it around. You don't want to leave it in there for any longer than about 4 or 5 hours. But you can already kind of see it starting to work. This thing was nasty.